welcome to my channel. So this is the first video I'm making and it's about unboxing and using so I got this big box, this big baby. Okay, let's do this. Okay, it seems like everything's here. Okay. So as you can see, there's a wrap around all the stuff. It's like I believe four items there. Okay. Paper, more paper. Okay. So first one I'm seeing here is this little stuff. Okay, that looks really good. Oh my god, I love that. It feels so good. I mean, look at this. Has these clips on it. And it's going like this. And oh my god. Oh my god. Looks really good. That's great. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's like awesome. It's so soft. You know, that color it is. Okay. It says like this, maybe. Yeah. And it's so soft. So there are like 12 brushes, I believe. Well, it's all 12. Okay. Face brushes and some eye brushes. Okay. It's so cool. Maybe we'll see it later. Okay. So next thing is that. What is that? Oh my god. Okay, that's like everything else. Let's see it. First thing in my hand is that Forever Nude. It's a contour palette. Beige Cosmetics. Okay. How cute is that? So this is how it looks like, and when you open it, it's like a mirror here. Yeah, you can see my camera. Okay, and this is it. It's like highlighter, contouring, blush. It's like I don't know about this banana color stuff. It's, I believe, for the black circles or so. Okay, maybe we can try this on. Excited. And the Beige liquid lipsticks. That's it. I needed to focus the right thing. Okay, so it's the color name Last. It's like this. Great. And finally, I got this cute little baby. Okay, let's open it. Miss Lynn palette is now mine. How much I love it. So, where's this one? It's like, okay, perhaps you can see that. Yeah. Okay. And oh, Oh my god, welcome, cutie. That's something really good. I mean, look at this mirror, it's really cool. It says, start with confidence, finish with success. Oh, that is inspiring, I believe. Really inspiring. Thank you, Miss Lynn, for the palette. Okay, anyways. So, maybe we can start using them. See how it goes, okay? Okay, let's do this. First, let's apply some makeup. Okay, I will apply this chopstick in my lips. It's from Lipozone. I know if you can see that. Maybe yes, maybe not. Yes, okay, that's it. It's milk and honey stuff. Okay. If you want to, you know, like wear this lipstick, this yes, liquid lipstick, you have to put something in your lips first. It's necessary, especially if you have dry lips. Maybe you could also just make a scrub first, because it's really still, and it might bother you if you have dry lips. I've tried this again, not this color specifically, but I've tried this again, and you know, I feel like my lips are going like that. I couldn't just talk. I couldn't just you know, it's really awkward. So okay, let's get started. Okay, maybe I will put my hair in the back. Okay, so start by using this cute brushie. I usually sanitizing my brushes first, but okay, that's not gorgeous. Anyways, I'm not gonna do this now. I just want to use some. So waiting. Okay, so I'm usually in the mornings, like now. I use this L'Oreal Skin Perfection. It's like okay, this one. Yes, it's like what is it? Okay, it's a BB cream, and well, it hydrates. Okay, it has sun protection. Okay, this is the box. Right, that's it. Okay, so I use this. It doesn't cover at all. I mean, if you have a lot of spots, a lot of marks in your face, it doesn't cover a lot. Okay, but I'm gonna use this, which is my makeup for present. It's the Essence Stay All Day 16-hour long-lasting makeup. Okay, so it's in the soft base. You know, this is what I use. So I'm applying a little bit of my brush. Okay, so I'm gonna alright, so I'm not using like concealers or anything, because you know, I'm just not using it. I don't have a lot of marks in my face or anything, so that's mostly why I'm not using concealer. I have the dark circles, of course, but you know. Okay. Wow, this brush feels really good. Okay, that's great. Maybe I could put it in there. Oh, yeah. So now we're gonna try this like contouring palette. So I'm gonna apply this of you know, banana cream color stuff under my circles, under my eye. So see it? Okay. Again. Let's try see it in the mirror. Okay. But you know, maybe I should start buying some concealer. Or maybe not. Does it work? I don't know, can tell. Can tell. Whatever. So, next, I'm gonna take some of these bronzing stars. I'm gonna choose this one because I don't want to look... Okay, it's closed. Oh, I think it's magnetic, like, it's... yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use this because I believe this is real dark, so I'm gonna use it in the summer when I get really tanned. This one. Okay. Well, it's really soft. God. It smells good. Okay, this brush, I'm gonna take this and get some little here. Okay, well, that's good. It's gonna take in here. The highlighter, I'm gonna choose that brush right here. Okay, I use this from the banana cream stuff. I'm gonna use this highlighter. Okay, so, and I'm gonna apply it like there. Okay, trunk stuff. Okay, whatever, and there. Okay, also just under eyebrows line, there above the lips, and there in the cheek. I also like to put some highlight under there. Well, I think it's really cool. And this, okay. Okay, that's it. I'm applying it a little, just around here. And then I have this palette from Oriflame, which is, I believe, for smoky eyes or something. So, but I'm using it for my brows. It's like that. Okay, how cool. So I'm taking like black stuff because, you know, I have dark brown eyebrows, and then just take this and I'm just you know, here put in a little, okay, here, want them to look like really fake or something, you know. I like natural, so yeah. Oh wow, that works really great. I believe it's the first eyebrow brush I've ever used. I used some other brushes to make my eyebrows, but you know, let's look different. So good. So good. I think it's okay. So I'm gonna just do this on the other side. Okay, and just like here. Okay. Okay, just gonna distribute that. Okay. So brushes are ready. Just gonna some of the highlighter again, because I don't want to. Okay, down below and up below. Okay. I'm gonna use this after all. Yay! Yay! Opened. Okay. I'm taking. And I'm just gonna take this one, this babe. Okay. Then I'm just gonna, you know, now, okay. I'm making wrinkles in my forehead. Okay, duh. Okay, this, like that, like this. Great. So I'm just gonna take now smaller one, and I'm just gonna put some of this. Okay. In there. And there. It's kind of shiny, I believe. It's very cool. It's cool, huh? Okay. So after that, I'm just gonna take this small brush to use this bronzing up on my top. Yay! Okay, this one I'm choosing. This one. Okay, it looks really glimmery here. Okay, and then again here. Good. And while that's it for the eyeshadow, I just use this. I don't want to use anything else. I believe it's great. So I'm just closing this. After, I'm gonna take this mascara. It's from Essence. Get big lashes. It says. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. It's like it's gorgeous. It's really handy on me, and it's really cheap. You can like find it in I don't know, €5 kind of. Now painting the eyelashes. I never have used like false eyelashes. I've never used. I think I have quite big ones, so I'm not using them. And for now, I mean, maybe I'm gonna use some time. I have a friend that uses a lot it doesn't really look good. Okay, so we're ready. Eyes are ready. So, for the final touch, I'm gonna take the new lipstick of Last Color. Just gonna put it on with my like. Oh, it applies really good on your lips. I mean, it's a liquid and it's lip on your lips and makes them beautiful. That's makeup for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it helped. Really good products. Go buy them if you want. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.